Looks like it's a brown colors. Like a for fall. Looks like a coffee colors. Perfect for doing wood green. All right, so then we're gonna go into the welcome hugs. You can add more, like how many times, like if you want it dogger, you can add it dogger. And then we're going to with welcome hugs. All right. Should wipe it off. And now again, well, for all of users tuning in, I did the 2 coat of a number 25, which is the pure whites already, and I did 2 coat, Kia each coat for 60 second, and I'm using a matte top coat in Kia for 60 second. Then I apply the fusioning. So now we need is crystal clear. You don't even need extra any brush or anything else, any others like solutions. Only crystal clear you need. Just pick up a little bit of a crystal clear. You do not need to saturate it with the crystal clear because you don't want to get it like it's totally is wash off your fusioning. You just want to have just enough of your crystal clears. This bottle of crystal clears go a long way. Just little go a long way. So I'm gonna add it, and then wherever you want your veinings, you are going to work outside like toward to the center. Okay. And then work, however, if you want your vein to be here, you are able to control your veins. If you want your vein to be in different, you can definitely really manipulating it. Absolutely like it. I like that a lot. Really like deep look. Deep look. Oh my god, it looks good. I'm gonna using a gel painting, Golden Touch. It looks so gorgeous in person. The Golden Touch. This is the painting, it's not the Weaver Gel. The Weaver Gel we did it earlier. And we are going to use the Golden Touch and add some veinings, like more veinings on. And just like let your twin tip brush on the other side, the precision size is just flow and soft touch. So it's created this really cool veining. This is like gold, is not like a regular gold. It's so deep, like golden. How do I explain it? It's like a really 24K gold, more like a platinum gold.
So done now it. So we save all of our videos. So yes. So when the live is done, you can come back and watch it whenever you need to.
Yes, I'll save all the video for us. Sometimes I love to watching my video as well, so it's really give me more inspiration every day. All right, I'm gonna flash gear for 30 seconds. So you want to see pumpkin on this one? What should we do with this? Pumpkins or spider web? This is so adorable. And then, you know, I mean adorable for the nail art, but it looks so scary. But it's not scary. It's like happy scary. Whatever you want to thinking of. It's cool, eh? He's like, ah, he catch me. But then he can able to get away with that like skeleton's hand. They said, oh, you got me, but I can't get out. Like he's like halfway his face. It's so, like I said, oh, you can't catch me. Okay, so here is a charm. So what should we do? Pumpkin, haunted, no, what is that? It looks like a, is a dome, the cemetery.
Yep.
What is that? Great.
There's a great stone.
Okay. Well, it's like, thank you. What is it? What is it? You know, it's scary, but we don't have to make it too scary. You can make it. Oh my God, look at this. It's like really cool. I found one of this. It's pumpkin.
That's a dark pumpkin.
It's cool. I don't know that how it's supposed to be. It looks like that. Maybe it's like over toasted, like pumpkin.
Yep, that pumpkin got black out because he drank too much.
Drink?
Halloween. Yep. Party too much and he should black out.
Sure. It doesn't look like it's like.
Oh, you know what? Like if you put on there, he got hit by lightning 2 more times and just blackened.
Oh. You know what? Good imagination. Haha. Alright. No, but this one looks cool though. Look. And like we'll have to make something is fun but like have scary though. You know?
Yep, that was called the rotten pumpkin.
Brazil, rotten pumpkin. That's a good way to say it. Hi, Benny. Welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in, everyone. All right, so that looks good. I feel like
Well, if you want your girl regular pumpkin, you can do it.
chain. Do you want pumpkin? Yes or no?
Well, you probably see a lot more pumpkin, so no.
No pumpkin.
Yeah, do some.
Okay, good. It's already sticking that gels and then you're good to go. Just key it and you're good to go. Just kidding.
Top coat it first at least.
It's gonna fall off. So now you need condensed glue gel to get all the charms in because this will stay concrete. I'm like working so much. I just showed Mika a little bit because open boxings and all the boxes and everything and it's keep hitting on this, but all the crystal is staying on. None of them. Maybe my nails will come off before this. All the crystal is coming off. So condensed glue gels. All right, so if you don't want any crystal, any charms, anything's on, just top coat and cure for 60 seconds and you are good to go. If you want to add some crystal, some charms, some chains, some whatever it is, just make sure you add it is the bestie condensed glue gel. So then that way it will keep all of the charm chains, metal pieces, beads stay on until whenever you're taking it off. All right, so no wipe top coat right after, but don't cure anything yet because the purpose of it will definitely is floating it right on the top to when you finish is completely no tacky layer, and also with the condensed glue gels and the wipe top coat will keep your crystals and it's like grab the base of the crystal and then keep it stay really concrete there. Okay. Gosh, I really want to put like a diamond dust pixie too.
You could, you know what? Do half of that in Pixie.
Maybe, but I don't want to taking this one away. It's so
Okay,
beautiful.
yeah, save it for next time. There
Next.
always be more time from Pixie.
You know what I mean? Like if you pay attention on it, I asked all everybody opinions and an inkling here, and I always stick with what I like, because you know what the best. If you like it, do it. The same thing with sometimes my clients just ask you to, and then they was want to still stick on, or they're not sure. So if you know you want it, you make sure you do it. Looks cool though. It look like he has the Mickey ears.
Yep, you get some pink mouth ear right there.
You know?
Yep, you never know. Next time you walk to Disneyland, you might see that floating around.
That is so cool. You see how fun it is? This is like kind of a freestyle of yours, like background. The background is everything. I love that how if I take this charms and crystal and just do on a plain nails, it looks still cool. But it's cooler if you have the really a fun background for the season, because it does make a different look. For it is really make it looks how do I saying it? I know you know what I mean. But by the way, it looks cool, cooler. All right, so here for 60 seconds.
Yep, I guess.